Hi, dear viewers. This is Pooja Modgil welcoming you to your very own RS Glories, where we bring you latest updates, highlights, and events from around the school. Let's begin with the top headlines of April month. Blessings and beginnings as new session commences with Sacred Havan and Parents Orientation Program. Health takes the spotlight as RS celebrates World Health Day with spirited vigor. Little stars light up Baisakhi with Junior Wing dancing to the tunes of Harvest Festival. Green Dreams in action with Earth Day sparking a wave of environmental awareness at RS. Spiritual vibes take over as Om and mantra writing contest inspire inner peace. RS juniors gear up as first aid ambassadors with confidence and care. A tribute to valor and virtue as RS commemorates Parshuram Jayanti with devotion. And now news in detail. The new academic session at RS school commenced with great energy and positivity as the principal warmly welcomed all students and staff back to school. In his inspiring address, he congratulated students for stepping into a fresh year of learning and encouraged them to aim high, stay focused, and seize every opportunity for growth. To invoke blessings for a successful journey ahead, a Sacred Havan ceremony was conducted, marking a spiritually rich and meaningful start, especially for the youngest members of the RS family. The ceremony was attended by the management members and dedicated faculty, along with enthusiastic parents, all united in prayer and purpose. Following the Havan, the school hosted a welcoming orientation program for new parents. The event featured a graceful welcome dance, the soulful RS song, and informative sessions. The headmistress, Mrs. Shubhlata, addressed the gathering, outlining the school's rules, curriculum, methodologies, and daily routine. The event concluded with refreshments and interactive conversations between parents and staff, laying the very foundation for a collaborative and successful academic year ahead. To mark World Health Day, a special assembly was conducted where students actively participated through various presentations such as motivational and informative speeches and poems that highlighted the importance of maintaining good health and that health should always be at top priority. The junior wing of RS School celebrated Baisakhi on 12th April with great jest and cultural spirit. Dressed in vibrant Punjabi attire, the little ones lit up the stage with energetic bhangra and gita performances. A PowerPoint presentation highlighted the importance of the Harvest Festival, helping students understand its cultural and agricultural value. The celebration beautifully blended fun with learning, nurturing life skills, and cultural pride in young hearts. On April 22nd, RS Model Senior Secondary School celebrated World Earth Day with great excitement. The event was organized by the Swami Dayanand Eco Club to spread awareness about saving the planet. The program began with a speech by Priyanshi of class plus 2 and a poem by Vanshika. A poster making competition was held for classes 3rd to plus 2 in 3 categories, with many students winning prizes for their creative ideas. Mrs. Meenakshi Seth, Eco Club in charge, gave an inspiring speech on protecting the environment. Students also performed a play and everyone took a pledge to care for the earth. Principal Sir praised the efforts and urged all to follow the motto Go Green, Go Clean. In order to promote spiritual values and improving handwriting skills among students, RS Model Senior Secondary School held an Om and mantra writing competition on 22nd of April. Students from classes 5th to 9th participated actively in 3 categories, focusing on neatness and creativity. Principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandelji praised the efforts of the students and highlighted the importance of such activities for their overall growth. The junior wing of the school organized a first aid awareness event to educate young learners on basic first aid practices. Through demonstrations and role play, students learned how to respond to minor injuries and emergencies with calmness and care. The session was both informative and interactive, helping children understand the importance of being prepared in times of need. On April 28th, RS Model Senior Secondary School celebrated Parshuram Jayanti with devotion. The program began with a meaningful speech by Naina of 10th B about the life and teachings of Lord Parshuram Ji. Lavanya of 9th recited a touching poem and a special presentation further highlighted the legacy of Parshuram Ji. Principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandel ji praised the noble values of Lord Parshuram Ji, such as obedience and devotion to parents, and encouraged students to follow these in their lives. Thanks for watching. See you soon with more updates. Till then, stay connected and stay informed. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.